On Thursday, April 17, 2025, Priscilla Ojo, daughter of famous Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo, married a Tanzanian partner, singer Juma Jukes, in a glorious traditional wedding ceremony held in Lagos, Nigeria. The grand celebration was filled with colors, music, and joy as Priscilla and Jukes sealed their union following an earlier intimate customary wedding in Tanzania back in February. The event attracted huge attention online. The wedding was graced by many prominent figures from the entertainment world. Legendary juju musician Chief Commander Ebenezer Obey was present and thrilled the guests with his appearance. Top Nollywood stars include Toyin Abraham, Wumi Toriola, Femi Adebayo, Odunlade Adekola, Mercy Aigbe, Mide Martins and Afeez Owo, Yinka Quadri, actor Ijebu, Kamo State were spotted at the event, actively celebrating with the family. Dignitaries who graced the star-studded event include Chioma Good Air, Tayo Faniro, Papaya X, Enioluwa and his mom, Diamond, Tanzania superstar, Paulo Okoye, Honorable Pella, Jadrorita, Caramel Plug, amongst others. The hall was beautifully decorated with a dreamy and elegant theme. The couple dazzled in coordinated traditional attire. Priscilla wore a purple and orange ashoke outfit with sparkling stones, while Jukes looked regal in a purple agbada and a royal blue cap with African symbolism. Iyabo Ojo and her estranged husband, Ademidu Ojo, came together in matching outfits to support their daughter. They were seen dancing together and warmly welcoming guests, showing unity despite their separation. The couple's love journey began months ago, with Jukes confirming in a recent interview that he knew from the start that Priscilla was the one. Their union has captured hearts across Nigeria and Tanzania, with both Tanzania and Nigerian wedding traditions honored. The marriage of Priscilla Ojo and Juma Jukes was not just a celebration of love, but a historic blend of cultures and celebrity moments that fans will remember for years to come. We'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates, but please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.